Bring it up, let's go. Hey, enough to be said, man. Let's go fight together, baby. For each other, let's go. Rams on 3. 1, 2, 3. Rams.
5 years have passed since the groundbreaking. The last 12 months have been some of the longest to endure. But we think tonight and this season will be worth the wait.
Bring it up. Let's play mean. Let's play physical. They can't with us. Play mean. Let's go. Big dogs on 3. 1, 2, 3. Big dogs.
Here we go. It's week 1 from SoFi Stadium, the very first game in front of fans that counts.
Let's go. Kick off and kick ass. Here we go. Knockout on 3. 1, 2, 3. Knockout. Here we go.
Opening night for the 2021 Los Angeles Rams. It begins with Sunday Night Football. The Bears have taken it 54 yards since a big opening kick return.
They're already at the LA 12.
You can't have that. This defense has to bow up.
Shotgun snap back to Dalton. Stands in, delivers. It's tipped. It is. It's a pick. It's a pick. It's a takeaway. It's David Long Jr. It's the first of David Long Jr.'s career. It came on the Kenny Young tip in the red zone on 3rd down and 6. The Rams have it up to the 33. Scoreless first quarter. Rams first possession. Stafford under center with Henderson as single back. He opens up right. He play fakes. Boots out to his left. Sets his feet and launches. It's caught at 20. Van Jefferson stumbling to the turf. He was not touched. He gets up. He gets in. Touchdown, LA! 67 yards from Matthew Stafford on the rocket to Van.
We say